Hello guys, we are here in Abdullah's room and Bharat's room. We are witnessed today. They are doing what was that?
Veg fried rice.
Veg fried rice for from Abdullah's side, and here Bharat is chopping the vegetables. Look at this guys carefully.
Hi friends.
He is doing his things right now. Yeah, he is cleaning potato, and Abdullah is doing rice and. Is that already happen or not?
Cook. Rice.
Still cooking. Okay. Okay, bro. So this is AB kitchen and canteen. So he's busy with cleaning potato. Bharat, yes, challenging star, the boss. He already chopped tomato, onion, carrot and beans and green chilies and ready to cut the potato, and he has also a knife in his hand. So guys, look at this guy already rice is cooked. So Abdullah is watching some videos to make veg fried rice. We don't know how much is that good or bad. So Bharat busy now with cutting beans. Tell me something about new experience, Abdul.
After eating.
After eating, how many guys will live? How many guys will survive? We will watch guys. This is Abdullah and this one is Bharat. Bharat from Hospet and Abdullah from Amingarh, Bagalkot district. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I am right. I am always right, bro. And I am from Hombal, Gadag district, Gadag Taluk, post 58204 Hombal.
I am Hospeti Benki Bharat.
Benki man for
Yes, Benki Bharat.
he is from actually he is in KG Krishna site, and now he is transferred from there and he came to KG South. Now he is our Benki manpower. So he is ready to cut potato right now. Look at this guys, carefully cut the potato like chips. So Abdullah is ready to cook the veg fried rice, and he took the what is this? Okay, I will tell you. This is okay. This is a pan. Now we have to start the stove. Let's start the stove, bro. Yes, tell me. Yeah. Now Abdullah is ready to cook according to YouTube video. Yes, Abdullah. How was your experience? Okay.
Now we'll start.
He on the stove. Now he is ready to cook. Now he put the.
Abdullah. Yeah,
Okay. In this video already veg fried rice started.
Yeah,
But Abdullah's not started yet.
plate.
Oh, he is searching oil. He is going to our room to find oil. And Bharat is cutting potatoes very neatly. And Abdullah came. Abdullah came from our room and took some palm oil in a 7-Up bottle. Look at this guys. And look at this guy. Okay, bro. Took new one. Okay. Take a new one. Freedom. Promotion. Okay, guys. Freedom, India's #1 selling sunflower oil, refined sunflower oil,
Healthy.
and tasty.
Okay.
Let's go. Now Abdullah going to the opening ceremony of sunflower oil and took all vegetables in his left hand. Okay. Abdullah all took the all vegetables in his left hand and potatoes in the right hand. Okay, releasing the pressure cooker.
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು
Look at this, guys. Already rice is ready to eat.
Rice only for not rice. Is a flour.
ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್
Flour. Okay. This guy is
Rice ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
not good in English.
ಏನಕ್ಕ?
So
ಕೊಡು ಚಾಕು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡು
Bharat is trying to do something. What was it?
ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಆಯಿಲ್
What was that, bro? Oh, Bharat is filling oil in 7-Up water.
ಅದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಗೊತ್ತು ಪಂಟ ಏನಿತ್ತು?
Okay.
ರೈಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
Okay, keep it up.
ಮಾಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು ಶುರು
ರೈಸ್ ಉದುರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಪಟ್ಟಣ.
Now, Abdullah, what was the first step, bro? Okay. He is backwarding the video. Now he is put some carrot in oil and beans.
And beans.
Okay, guys, look at him.
ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಶೆಫ್
This big size.
Okay, that's in large size, but Abdullah wants small sizes. It's okay. We'll accept that. Start the. Okay. First we are putting the carrots in a pan. Okay, very carefully handle this one. Otherwise oil will
Just one.
jump and come to your skin. Okay, now beans. Abdullah is resume the video and looking after that. Okay, Abdullah, carry on. What's going on through your mind, bro? Tell me. Abdullah is referring the YouTube video right now. He is a well-known cook actually in Mundarge. Yeah. Now it's a top cook. Oh no. He took back its original place. Okay, we have to put some green chilies. Then onions, chopped onions. Carefully.
ಓಸು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿ
So we have to cook this at least for how many minutes, bro?
2 to 3.
2 to 3 minutes.
ಒಂದೇ ದಿಢೀರ್ ಅಂತ ಕತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ
After that what
ನಿನಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕ
What are we going to do?
ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಓಸು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ
We will prepare
ಮನೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿ
next level for veg fried rice.
Okay, we will prepare next
Level.
to veg fried rice.
ಬಹಳ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಎರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ.
Oh, Abdul has a problem with onions.
ಆ ರೈಸ್ ಉದುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಪಟ್ಟಣ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಡ
Okay, bro. Keep cool, bro. Why are you laughing?
ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Now it's potatoes time. Yeah. Now Abdullah puts up all potatoes in a pan. Now it's time to mix.
ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ತಗೋ ಎಣ್ಣೆ
Oh, in this phone already veg fried rice ready.
Prepared.
In this bowl still not yet ready. Now Bharat come with freedom oil.
ಇದ್ರಾಗಿನ್ನ ಅಭಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ ತಡ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ
Still some oil is left in the oil
ಇಲ್ಲ.
packet.
ಅಲ್ವ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದಕ್ಕ
ಕೇಬಲ್ ಟೈ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಟೈ ತಲ್ಲಿ
Oh.
ಕದನ ಎಷ್ಟು ತರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ
In this video already it happens. This is a soup. What was ketchup, man?
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉದ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
Bharat is getting angry young man.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಷ್ಟು
Now put some salt How much spoon? 1.5 to 2 spoon. Okay. Okay, bro. We got it. Then what are we going to do right now?
Mix.
Okay, mix well. Very good. Now Abdullah is going to mix all vegetables and salts. Okay.
हाँ होता साइड ತೆಗೆಯೋ
Where is that, bro?
ಸೈಡ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋ
Oh, this is a nice rice. This is different rice. You cooked rice with boiled eggs. Wow, very talented guy. Abdul from Amingada. Oh, he cooked rice with 2 boiled eggs. Very talented fellow from Amingada. Abdul Hungud. Now he is preparing veg fried rice. Actually, he don't know how to cook veg fried rice. Still, he is trying. We don't know what happens after that. Okay, he's restart the video. Third time. I don't know.
ಎರಡು ಒಂದು
Okay. Okay, now he's looking for tomato ketchup.
ರೆಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ
No. It's red chili. Abdullah's special red chili from
ಮುಂಡ್ರಿಗೆ
Mundurgi. Look at this, guys. Okay, mix well. In this video already rice, they put rice in a bowl.
ಬೇಸ್ ತಡಿ ಹೋದ ಇನ್ನ ಇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ
Okay.
ನೀರೇನು
Keep cool. What was that? Okay. Now next step.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ
What's next step, bro?
put in the rice
Put in the rice.
boiling put the rice after
So this is veg fried rice.
yes
Are you mad?
no
No. Okay.
then after rice put in the rice then next
Took this coriander leaves and cut them and put in the bowl. This video already third time it ends, and Abdullah is watching fourth time. I don't know it's happening veg fried rice or what. Okay. How was your experience, bro? First time veg fried rice. How are you feeling, man?
feeling was good
You're feeling good?
I got to my cooking level
Oh, you are improving your cooking level.
Yes.
Okay, cooking ability.
yes absolutely you are correct
Okay. This is fifth time, guys. He's looking this video. Forward and backward. Rewind and forward.
you want it
Okay. Put some rice on it, bro.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಸ್ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ
How many times you looked at the video? This is already cooked. So this vlog is already happened to 14 minutes 30 seconds.
ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡೋದು
Still not yet. Oh, Abdullah is not happy for rice. Okay, put it, bro.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬರತ್ತ ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನಗೆ
Okay, bro. Cool. So what's the next step, bro?
ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್
Okay, mix well all vegetables, salad and this white rice. Is that enough for 4 guys? Are you okay?
2 to 3.
Oh, 2 to 3
members.
guys. 2 to 3 members can eat this one.
3 members are comfortable. 4 members are incomfortable.
Are they dead or alive after eating this?
Hey, she was improve your protein level.
I?
Protein body में protein level improve.
Okay.
After eating.
After eating this one, in our body,
Will improve the
improve
stamina.
protein level.
Stamina also.
Okay guys, look at this recipe. After eating this in your body, protein will gain.
Yes, also. Yes.
Okay bro.
You are correct.
So we are in last step. So still we have to cut coriander leaves and put
Yes,
it
yes.
this one. Okay. Give him. We will cut the. Okay. More rice. Put the rice, bro. It will okay. No, we are okay with that.
Okay.
Okay. Still cooking, Abdul. Oh, this is already very much cooked in the bottom side of that bowl, bro. Look at that one. Look carefully. Look at that.
Yes.
What was that?
Now we'll stop the stove or gas.
No. It's already very much cooked in this bottom of the bowl.
Boil.
Okay.
Yes.
You have to put in low flame.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mistake that.
Yeah. You always mistaking.
Yes.
Okay. White rice plus veg fried rice. Okay. Still, what is the ingredients left? Only coriander leaves.
Yes.
Okay, they put it down. Okay, now ready to put the coriander leaf in the veg fried rice. Final step. Yeah, look at this, guys. How yummy. Wow. What a dish, what a recipe made by Abdullah and gang and helped by Bharat from Hospet. And final preparation for veg fried rice from Abdullah. Okay guys, this is the final touch of the veg fried rice. Please subscribe and like, subscribe and comment and share this channel, guys. Thank you.